Alrighty, so here we are. Another job that we can tell you how to do if this is something you want to do on your own. I know like there's a lot of videos out there that you be watching the people work and you're like, come on, I just want to know how to do this. I don't want to, I've got a lot going on today and I don't have time to watch a half-hour video of a dude standing around taking bolts out. Let me explain to you how this radiator comes out of this Mazda 6. This way you can just cut to the chase, you can do the job, and you can go do whatever you want to do for the rest of the day because you have to watch a video for 4 hours. So let me flip the camera around real quick and I'll show you what I had to do to get the radiator out, and you just reverse the procedure. And believe it or not, it's not that bad. I mean, it is a lot of stuff to take off, but just zip to it, put stuff up like you're supposed to, easy peasy. All right, so what we've got here, we do, as you can see, I've got most of the front clip removed. I started this job an hour and a half ago, and I did have help with some hand tools and stuff, and I had a little bit of I could lift it up off the ground with my little scissor lift. But if you had a weekend on your weekend warrior and your dude just trying to get by, this is doable if you just take your time. And got the front end up. I pulled both front tires off. I just removed the hardware that was around there, which were just some 8mm bolts and screws and a couple little push clips. And I made sure I put everything to the right side, left side to left side. Then after that, you should make sure you get all these little things unhooked, which is this was what a park light. Just look for your park lights and different things that are snapped into your front bumper. And then you've got to usually have a retaining screw on here. You take that off, and then you pop the front bumper clip off, and you just put it over there to the side, nice and gentle. And then I'll remove the headlights so I could get access to some other stuff. The airbox came right out with some little snappy snaps, and I moved that little bracket out of the way just so I took the whole thing out as a module. That way I can just swap it all, put it all right back in as a module. I did not discharge the AC. I left everything hooked up. Probably should prop that up, but we'll get there. And then you just once I got the access to that, I could pull that front little plastic piece off right here, carefully removing some of the hardware that went to the hood release and different things, and supported the original stuff with jack stands so that I could pull it forward enough and there's a disconnect point right here, which is real nice. That took the lower hose off, took it off all as one, make it easy to get to the clamp. Then I'll take the new radiator, I'll lay it down on the floor, and I'll swap the fan module assembly over and put the radiator hose back on it, drop it back in, put my transmission oil cooler lines back up, which were easy to get to right there instead of way up under there. And this, like I say, the book time on this job is 3.1 hours. And I think if a man did a few of these, you could really do that. And I didn't have to discharge the AC. Just take your time. Just be careful with the plastic bumper stuff, removing the hardware and just putting everything up like you want it. And this job can be done DIY, just very carefully and very patiently. So there you go, under 3 minutes, how to do this job in case you're wanting to work on this thing yourself. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll Fix It Team. If you enjoy these quick videos on how-tos, please give me a like, share, and a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to change something. Thank you very much. I'm out.